Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Top Grade app. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it up and create your free account using your email address or a social media login. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which typically features 5 to 7 key sections for easy navigation. Now, let's set up your academic structure. Navigate to the Courses section and add each of your classes, specifying its name and credit weight, perhaps 3 or 4 credits per course. Then, for each course, input all your assignments. Be sure to include their due dates and the total possible points. You can also categorize them, like quizzes or midterms, for a clearer overview of your progress. Keeping track of your grades is simple. After completing an assignment, enter your score into the app. The Top Grade app will automatically calculate your current grade for each course, providing instant feedback. You can also view detailed progress charts, which visually represent your performance trends. This feature helps you identify areas needing improvement and celebrate your successes throughout the academic term. To maximize your success, explore the app's advanced features. Set custom reminders for important deadlines, ensuring you never miss an assignment or exam. You can also export your grade data as a CSV file for personal records or further analysis. Don't forget to use the What If calculator, a powerful tool that allows you to predict how different scores on future assignments could impact your overall grade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.